Dassault Systems, our company, our tagline is see what you mean. We're a software development company, and the idea is to take the virtual world and mimic the physical world. So that means everything inside of the physical world. So take a car, for example. The idea is I want to design a car. I start with a conceptual idea and I start building it. There's a lot of information that goes into that car, engineering information. We capture that inside of our tools. So lots of people have heard of CAD before, where I'm building 3D models. That's part of our solution. So we have a CAD tool called CATIA. It's the #1 CAD tool in the world. Pretty well anything you get into, like fly, drive, motorcycles, cars, boats, planes, trains, all of that stuff is designed inside of our tools. We also do the engineering and the manufacturing side of that. So tied into that is, how do I build that vehicle? How do I build that product? The physical world, if I make a mistake in the physical world, it can be extremely costly, it can be extremely dangerous. We have tools that allow us to take that physical world, bring in humans, interact with the CAD models, interact in this virtual world, try things out, and make sure if there's any issues or problems that we fix those problems in the virtual world before we get to the physical world. Once we get to the physical world, we want to make sure we have as minimal number of mistakes as possible. Pretty well every major corporation in the world that is building products is using our tools to do this. It allows them a lot of time to get stuff to the market quicker. So the lead times have been reduced, and I can do things quicker in the virtual world. So if you take a look, we've actually working a lot with some race teams. And here's an area of a situation where we've got humans, we've got a pit crew that's actually changing the tires on the vehicle, and we're helping them determine the best way to change these tires on the car. And so now they can run simulations and design of experiments and then train their guys to follow these exact positions and steps. So the idea is to make it virtually, test it, build it, then do it physically.